The steel mistakes that cause building collapse. Most people miss this. Concrete looks strong. Steel looks solid. But when steel is placed wrongly, concrete becomes decoration. Many buildings that collapse did not fail because of poor concrete. They failed because of steel mistakes hidden inside. Today we expose the most dangerous reinforcement errors, how they happen, and how they silently turn safe buildings into death traps. 1. Exposed reinforcement. Exposed reinforcement bars are one of the earliest signs of structural failure. Steel should never be visible in finished concrete. When it is exposed, corrosion begins immediately. Rust expands. Expansion cracks concrete. Cracks allow more water. This is a self-destroying cycle. Many people try to plaster over exposed steel, but the damage continues underneath. This is not cosmetic damage. This is a structural emergency. 2. Insufficient concrete cover. Concrete cover is the protective layer between steel and the environment. When cover is too thin, moisture reaches the steel faster. This happens when spacers are missing. Bars are pushed outward. Shuttering is poorly aligned. Even a difference of 5 to 10 millimeters can determine the life of a structure. Codes specify minimum cover, not as suggestions, but as safety limits. 3. Wrong lap length. Lap length allows load transfer from one steel bar to another. When lap length is too short, the load has nowhere to go. Under stress, bars slip. Concrete cracks. Beams fail. Short lap lengths are common when steel is wasted, drawings are ignored. Supervision is weak. Steel continuity is structural continuity. Break it, and the building remembers. 4. Wrong spacing and load path. Failure reinforcement spacing controls how loads move through a structure. When spacing is wrong, stress concentrates in small areas. A beam cracks first. Load shifts to columns. Columns overload. Collapse is rarely one mistake. It is a chain reaction triggered by ignored drawings. Correct reinforcement work is disciplined work. Bars placed according to drawings. Correct lap lengths, proper spacers, adequate cover. Steel does not forgive assumptions. When reinforcement is done correctly, the structure gains decades of life. Final warning in CTA. Steel is silent. It does not warn you before failure. By the time cracks appear, the mistake is already buried. Would you allow these steel mistakes in your house? Comment yes or no below. Subscribe for real construction failures and fixes.